Good morning! Miss Leonard is going to play a game with you today. So, I want you to get your thinking brain on, and I want you to think really, really hard about all the sounds that we've been practicing, okay? Are you thinking? Good. I'm glad you're ready. Miss Leonard is going to hold up some cards, and they're going to have some sounds on them. I want you to say the sound the whole time I'm holding the card up, okay? And I want you to do your very, very best. You can play this game every single day if you want to, and you can even play with your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or cousins or aunts or uncles or brothers or sisters, whoever's around that wants to play with you. We'll practice together first, and then you could go play with them. Are you ready? You are? Yay, I'm so excited. Let's play. Level 1. Are you ready for level 1? Let's go. Remember, I'll hold it up. When I say get ready, you say the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Good saying that sound. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. S. Good. Get ready. A flower? That's not a sound. How did that get in there? Let's keep going. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. S. Get ready. An ice cream cone? Oh my goodness, that's not a sound. Let's try again. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Last card. Get ready. Yes. E. Good job on part 1. Level 2. This time, we're going to go faster. So you have to be listening for me to say get ready so that you can say the sound. I want to see how fast we can do it. Think you're ready? Alright, let's go. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. That silly flower is back. Let's keep going. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. S. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. S. Get ready. Silly ice cream cone. You're not a sound. Let's try. Last one. Get ready. Yes, E. Good job, friends, on round 2. Level 3. Are you ready for level 3? It's going to be so much harder this time. All I'm going to do is hold up the sound, and you have to say it. I'm not going to say get ready. Just hold it up. Think you can do it? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Yes, E. Yes, Yes, S. You got me again. It's the ice cream. Where does it come from? Let's keep going. Yes, 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 ah. Yes, That flower. Let's keep going. Yes, ah. Yes, E. Yes, S. Way to go, friends! We finished our game. You guys did such a great job. I hope we can play again later.